Hi, this video is to show you what you have in your lab package that's going to come to you in the mail. Okay, it's going to come in a box like this, a brown cardboard box that's labeled escience. Okay, so you're going to take it out, and this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a nice white box, a nice sturdy white box, and it's going to have the title on the front. Okay, and so keep this box. Do not throw any of this box away. Keep it throughout the semester, okay? Now, you're going to open the box, and you're going to have a lab instructions form, okay? And in this form, you're going to have to register your kit. And so use this kit code that's in the top of your box, okay? So I'm going to set this down, okay? And let's look at the lab instruction booklet. You're going to open this up and follow the instructions. Okay, the first thing they want you to do is they want you to check your inventory. Okay, and so you're going to get an inventory sheet just like this. And so you can take your lab materials one by one and then check off each lab as you see it and each one of the materials in your box. Okay, and make sure that everything is there. Okay, number two, I want you to register this lab kit. Go on to the website, and you're going to have a kit code located on the inside of the box that I showed you. And so you're going to have access to a student portal, and you're going to be able to have all kinds of information. You're going to have access to other labs and other tutorials. So make sure you follow these instructions. Okay, now then let's look at the materials that you're going to get in your lab. All right, and so Ms. Bates is filming this for us, and so Ms. Bates, bring your camera over here to the table. You're going to get a safety box, and inside the safety box will be an apron to be used in your labs, some safety goggles, and some gloves. So keep up with these. Keep them in the box until you need them, okay? And so you'll be able to use these on whatever lab you need to use them in. You're going to get some test tubes, okay? And then this is a test tube stand, okay? Don't get it wet. Keep the test tubes in this stand, okay? You're going to use this, all of this, in the lab. You're going to roll masking tape. You're going to get some pipettes, okay, that you'll use to draw up liquids and then insert them into a test tube. And you're going to get all kinds of chemicals that you're going to use in the different labs. Here's a little can of grape juice. These are not to eat or drink, okay? They're to use in lab. Tomato juice, oil, citric acid, salt, baking soda, and then you're going to get this nice box, okay, that's like this, and inside this box there will be a Sharpie, and there's going to be all kinds of different chemicals that you're going to use. For instance, this is 0.2% sodium chloride solution. Okay, this is 0.5% sodium chloride solution, and so make sure when you use these, you always check with the bottle, make sure you read the label and you get the right one. There's even going to be, say, a little bitty bottle of something that you might use. So look at this box and make sure you check out the contents of that box. Okay, and now you're going to have all of the labs are going to be in a little Ziploc, and they're labeled. Do not open these until you're ready to do the lab, because these things may spill out, you'll lose some things, okay? And so go ahead and just make a note that they're here, but don't open them yet, okay? Because it's a long semester. So there's several different things. Let me hold these up. So here's one for acids and bases. Okay, here's one for chromatography. Don't lose those. Okay, and here's another one for the electric field. Okay, you're going to have a compass right here. And so you've got some little scissors, and this one for measuring, the measuring lab. You've got a battery right here. So there's all kinds of things. So keep up with that. A nice ruler. A nice spring scale. Okay, your thermometer is packed in here, in this packing material, and it's going to be in a plastic tube that's in here, so keep up with that. All kinds of measuring cups, styrofoam cups, modeling clay for one of the labs. Okay, this is a graduated cylinder, and And here's another size graduated cylinder. Okay, and you're going to have a timer that's going to come in its little box. And so keep up with it. Put it back in this little box if you're not using it. That way you can keep up with it. Okay, and then you even have a fire starter thing here. So there's some fire in your kit, so be careful with that. All right, and so now this is the CD that has all of your lab exercises in it. Now I am going to put the lab exercises on Blackboard. Okay, you can open this and you can save each lab on your computer, okay, and print it out as you need it. But this is where your lab exercises will come from, okay? And so, look through your lab kit, see if you have any questions about the materials you have, and please email me if you have any questions, okay? Thanks.